Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can automatically extract information from your packing lists into Excel with Microsoft Power Automate. Now, Bitskout has a library of templates and you can find packing list here. And it's very simple. You can have a look what it extracts, but basically all the information you need. And let's create a plugin. So clicking Use Template will create a packing list plugin. And we'll use the Microsoft Power Automate. So now our plugin is ready. Let's create a Microsoft Power Automate cloud flow that will react on a new email with a packing list and write data into this Excel I prepared for tests. As you're working inside Microsoft Power Automate, obviously you can write data into any other tool. All right. So our cloud flow will be called packing lists. Then we need Outlook as a trigger, like when we receive a new email. Okay, this one. So the next step is to add a step where we grab the attachment. The reason why we need this step is that it will go over all attachments in this message, because there might be several packing lists in one email, and this is what we need to make sure that we can do that. And as you can see, it's now a cycle. And next step is adding Bitskout. And in this case, we don't have still the direct action, so we'll need to choose Run plugin for a file, and then choose the plugin. In this case, it was called packing list. Here it is. And file URL. In this case, we're gonna give a direct file. You need to choose expression and type string. And here in dynamic content, you choose content bytes. This means we give a direct file to Bitskout. And now we need to run this as a test, and I will explain you why. So let's save it and run a test manually. Press test. Now the system is waiting for a new email. So let's send it. This is the email I've prepared with the packing list. And now it will process it. And the reason for that is that upfront, Microsoft Power Automate doesn't know what fields it will receive. So we need to run it once, and then create a JSON, add a JSON step that will make our fields really nice. Okay. So let's see what we have here. And this is our data. I'll just copy it. And now we need to press edit and add a new step called parse JSON. That's the one. Here in the content you choose outputs, and in the schema you generate from sample and copy what you have just copied in the previous step. Press done, and that's it. And the next step is writing this into an Excel. This one. Let's select our Excel file. And now we just need to map the data. And as you can see now, the data looks really nice. I'm just gonna grab what we have. Okay. And let's run another test. This time we don't need to send the email once again. We choose automatically and with the recently used trigger. And then run a test. And what will happen, it will run the test again and we will see the data here. Okay, so here is our data from a packing list. And now you can put this flow into work, and whenever the email with the packing list arrives, it will automatically extract data. Usually packing lists are used together with other documents. So for that, you can use a template called detect document type. We have specifically for logistics, and it includes detecting automatically if it's a packing list or not. We have another video demonstrating how you can detect document types in Microsoft Power Automate, so have a look there as well. Thanks a lot for your time.